What's going on, family? Your welding coach, Black Phoenix, checking in, and right now we're with a student. We're working on some practicing for his 3G uphill test. He's just running some stringer beads right now, and we want to ask him a few questions about what position out of the 4 positions, flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead, which one you think is the hardest, and why you think that one is a little bit more challenging.
It'd probably be the vertical. The hardest part about the vertical is basically getting consistent speed, travel speed, getting your travel speed consistent, because if you vary it too much, you'll start to get thin spots and fat spots, and it'll look like
You have some humps in
an
it.
hourglass, so to speak.
Still looks very good. So the main thing is, so what about the tie-ins? Do you think you have to really focus on the tie-in, on when you tying it in more when you're in this position?
Nah, tie-ins is pretty easy. It's
pretty easy?
basically the same as flat or horizontal.
So it's just pretty much your travel speed as far as staying consistent when you're traveling up is what you work on. So it's easy to travel flat and horizontal and overhead.
So I mean, when you're going flat and flat and horizontal, you basically just dragging the rod along at a consistent speed. With this one, you have to push and go up and focus on your speed more.
Exactly.
It's not just a body. You know, you can just basically turn your body like this and keep consistent.
And stay consistent.
But when going vertical, you have to move your arm more, and it's a little harder to keep that consistent speed.
So, in your personal opinion, how long, I ain't gonna say how long, or should I say, how do you think a person should spend their time doing that vertical? Do you think they should focus on that a little bit more than they do the other positions once they master it?
Yeah, I believe so. Maybe at least 50% more on vertical than horizontal and flat, just because of all the variables in play when you kind of